Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Suram, and in this video I want to share my learnings on how we can code faster using VS Code snippets. So we'll start with what is a snippet, and then we will build a complex one. We'll end, and in this video you'll learn how to build complex snippets. So first of all, what is a snippet? Um, so let me change the language mode for this one to JavaScript React, so that now all the snippets that are related to this language are loaded into my editor. Now let me start with writing a React component. So I have one snippet already in written. So this is the snippet. Snippet is basically nothing but a template kind of thing. Okay, and that is populated by using a shortcut. So I have wired a comp as a shortcut for this template. So it is importing the libraries, and then it will create a component and prop types. So I hit tab, then it has written the template to the file. Now I can just modify, I can just fill it in. Now let's say I have some name attribute, name prop, and then start coding. Constant full name equal to, let's add some ABC name, and then full name, and then I'm done. So this is very, I mean, this will help in writing your code very fast. And also sometimes it's a tedious job to add all these values and importing from libraries. It's hard to remember also sometimes. So this will solve a lot of such problems also. Like for example, I have a complex template for test file. So if I say so I have the test template already set up. Now I can just start writing import component from whatever file, and then um, username should be in document, like screen test whether Vamshi name is there on the document. So this is how I write test file. As you can see, like it is clearly faster way to write code, and you don't have to remember all this, what is the path, what are libraries you need to import. This is like a one-time job. You set up the template and then you can start filling it up. Okay, now that you understand what is a snippet and template, let's start building one. Okay, and so I have found this website where you can start writing your snippet, and then you can see what is the configuration you have to add to your editor, so that that template will come up in your VS Code. So let me give this description. Just log something to console. What should be the shortcut? Let me say log. And what should the template be? How about console.log? Okay, and this is the snippet it generated. Sorry, this is the configuration which will um, write the template to the uh, when we hit tab. So now in VS Code you will find in preferences user snippets. So you go there, and what kind of files do you generally write with the extension, right? So generally I write a JavaScript, which is mostly React. So I'll go to that file, and I will just add my snippet here. That's all. Now I save it. Now this snippet is available for me. I'll go back to this file. Let me clear this off. So if I say log, see, log something to console, this is what I have written, right? So I just hit tab. So it kind of pasted that code what I wanted. This is like the very simplest snippet you can say. How about placing the cursors where we want to fill in. Like you have a statement with blanks and you want your cursor to go to the position of the blanks, so that you can hit tab 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 and then you will jump from one blank to other blank. How do we do that? So what we do is generally we use dollar symbols to place the cursor. So $1, that means this is the first place the cursor will come. And let's say console.log $2. I'm just writing this for explaining purposes. It's up to you how you want to modify this. So I'll just update my configuration. I paste it here in my snippets. Now log. As you can see, there are 3 log statements which is expected, and I am looking for to place the cursors automatically on every tab. So I hit tab, this is 1, and I hit tab, it is going to the second location, tab, third location. So this is how you can play with the cursor locations while filling the template. So hope that's clear. And how about some default values if you don't want to type in even that blank also? So what we can do is, here I can just say I have this here, something like this. So I can say dollar, this is the cursor position, but default value may be like what do you say, 0, let's say. And instead of at the second location also I want the default value 0, let's say. Third location also 0 value. I save it. I'm clearing this off. Now log. As you can see in the preview, you are seeing 3 console.log statements with the default value 0. I hit tab. It is asking me whether do you want to rewrite that value. If I want to rewrite, let's say I can just hitting 2 and then hit tab. Again it is asking me, do you want to rewrite that value, override that value? If I'm not interested, I can just hit tab to move to the next cursor position. So this is how you can utilize the default values in the templates. So one very interesting snippet I built is spy on. So in while writing unit tests, it's a common practice to spy on some object methods and then do some mock return values, all that. And many times it's like a repetitive thing. So I wrote a snippet for myself. So if I write spy on and then hit tab, now there are multiple frameworks which we generally use. Maybe it is Jasmine or Jest or any of that sort. So I have placed a default value called Jest here, but I can remove it and switch to other framework also. Okay, let just be there, and then I can just hit tab. I'm going to some object and I want to mock some method, get name maybe. Okay, and now do I want to return any mock value for now for this spy call? Okay, maybe I don't need this, I can just clear that off. Then I can jump tab again. See, this is very fast, I can say. Now let me show it in usage actually. So spy on, just object, get name, mock return value, one ship. Okay, this is okay. Let me explain the body of the template. So at the first position we are placing just as the default value, and then there is cursor position 2 where we are placing the object, and then there is cursor position 3 where we fill get name, and for the fourth one it will highlight this entire portion, right? So spy on, as you can see, it highlights the entire portion. This is like the mock return value, and then within that I am placing one more cursor. So this is how you can build complex snippets also. I hope this is very valuable to you guys, and I would be very happy to know what you think about this, and um, please share what tips and tricks you have. Please subscribe and let me know if you're interested to learn more interesting stuff. Thank you.